Falling, dreaming, talking in your sleep. I know you want to cry all night.
Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have a very special unboxing for you. As you guys can tell from the box, it's a Nike Air Force One. I'll show you guys the label and you guys tell me if you know what sneaker it is. Right there, size 10.5, so just to retail $200. We have the PlayStation Air Force Ones. So, first look, I was really impressed with the sneaker. Quality is great. Very limited right now. Only came out at the E3 2018 at LA. I've heard there's gonna be a wider release coming soon, but there's no confirmation of that yet, I think. But overall, man, just $200, a little pricey for the retail, but I'm really digging the sneaker. We got the jewel swoosh here with like the PlayStation logos inside. The camera picks that up. Turn around, we have the the PlayStation button logos. And then again on the medial side, we have the nice blue jewel swoosh. So we have like two different types of material here. In the front, we have like a leather kind of material. It's kind of like it's not like the Jordan 1 stubble leather, but it's pretty nice. Like, no complaints in my end. And then over here, we have like a different kind of material. It reminds me a lot of like the PlayStation console itself. It's pretty cool. I really like the concept. I just wish they kind of did it a little more like the original one, a little more of like a PlayStation theme to it. This one is a little bit more wearable. I think that's what they were ultimately going for with this release. But for $200, I think they could have made it a little bit better with the box, the packaging. Just, it was all normal packaging. I wish they did something a little more special. But anyways, getting into the insoles, we have the PlayStation logo right here, and on the other pair we have the Nike Air logo. Hold that up for you guys. And one of my favorite parts of the sneaker actually comes on the bottoms. So the outsoles of the sneakers have the PlayStation buttons again. I do wish they made these glow in the dark. Overall, I'm excited to have these, and I got lucky. A buddy of mine was actually able to get them at the PlayStation event at E3. Looked down the Nike sneakers app and sent the pair my way. So appreciate you. And let me know what you guys think. If you like the review, if you like the sneakers, comment down below and I'll make sure to give you guys some more reviews in the future. Once again, in my opinion, these are probably one of the better sneakers to release this year. Great collab. I'm really glad they brought it back with PlayStation. Could have done it a little bit better once again, but we'll take what we get. Let me give you guys a couple better looks at these sneakers. And yeah, if you enjoyed, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more. Thank you.